Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence channel. So, before we get into the topic, this is our channel. So, here we post most of the videos on daily post market reports, reviews, and regarding IPOs, and some of the interesting videos like the sector valuation. So, if you like this, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. So, let's get back to the video. So, today let's look at some of the reversal points or the reversal candidates which we can start accumulating. So the first one is HDFC Bank. This is daily time frame. As you all know, Saturday it declared its results, and since it declared the results, it is continuously falling. There are various reasons for its fall, including the debit cards issue, the credit cards issue, and the increasing NPA and the low demand in the loans, infrastructure loans and rural urban loans. So there are various reasons for this. But if you see the technically, the stock is continuously falling. So the potential reversal points would be 1400 to 1000, 1400 to 1412, where we can start accumulating on this. So this is completely for an educational purpose, and this is not a trading recommendation. Please note this. Please do your own study, and as per the harmonics, it shows that the reversal points will be 1412. So this will be my case study for the coming week. Next is IRCTC. Let me show the weekly time frame. So if you see, the stock has almost moved from the bottom of 1546 in April to close to 2456, almost close to a 1000 points move. But now it is showing a potential reversal, which is also a shooting star pattern. You can see, as per the harmonics, it has completed the up journey. There may be a small consolidation happening. So as per the harmonics, the next reversal point would be around 1856, but I may be wrong, because this is a trending stock. I don't think that it may fall the way, but let's still look for the case study. It should fall till 1900 levels and then should start moving on the upside. So the third one is TCS. So TCS, as you know, it is a rising channel. Our trend line is rising. The upward resistance, increasing resistance, and support. So as per the harmonics, let me get into the daily time frame. So the next targets will be 3372. So the stock has fallen continuously after the results. So it took support around the trend line. Exactly at the trend line, it started reversing. So as per the harmonics, the reversal or the potential next reversal zone is 3376. So now currently it is at 32005, and 3376 is the next target for this script. So the fourth script will be Ingrevia, Jubilant Ingrevia. So the stock has already completed its up move. Friday it has posted the quarterly results. It has posted a strong quarterly results, and it's a very good stock for a long time frame. So currently it is yet to complete its the up move around 600. It may complete its up move, and then a small consolidation may happen where it may reverse till 570 levels or 564 levels, and then next leg of rally will start. The next one is Tarmet. So the Tarmet, let me get into the weekly time frame. So the stock has given a breakout. You can see this, and as of now currently it has closed exactly at the breakout point. We get into the 1-day chart. So it made a breakout, it made a retest. So soon it may start its up move. The current value is 83 and I am expecting close to another 60 to 70 points up move on this. So all these are for case study and purely for educational purpose. So please take your decisions as per your own research and analysis. Thanks, Chris.